because guys, I need to tell you that the class is recorded now. All right. So I have started the recording. So characters, setting, theme, and finally we have the plot, because the plot has many parts. Okay, we're going to talk about parts of the plot later, inshallah. But in Muhammad's story yesterday, who were the characters?
Me, Mr. can answer.
Yes, Mishal.
Muhammad and his family.
Very good. So the characters were Muhammad
and his family.
And can you see my my whiteboard?
Yes.
Yeah.
Family. Yes, very good. And let me just hold on a second, boys, so that I can see your hands lifted.
I can't raise my hand because
I'm so sorry about this, but this is from your computer.
No, I'm mobile.
Your mobile, yeah. Maybe you need to raise your hand. Raise your hand if you know the setting of Muhammad's story.
Can I answer, Mr. Michel?
Who is that?
No.
Raise your hand, please.
Mr. I can't
raise my hand.
The settings the last week and in the mall.
Very good. The setting is last week and in the mall. Just wait a minute. Khalid, why do you keep... Khalid, are you there? Khalid Khalifa?
Yes, mister.
Do you have a problem, love? Because you keep going out and then joining again.
No, mister, I've been here the whole time. I don't have any problem.
You don't have any problem?
Yes, it might be a glitch or something. I don't know.
I don't know. Okay, so now we are talking about the setting. Who is talking? Saud. Saud Faisal. What was the setting in Muhammad's story?
The time in the last week.
Very good. Last week. Time last week.
And the place in the mall.
Very good. Place at the mall. Wow, wonderful, Saud Habibi. Now, let's move to talk about the theme. You guys came up actually with brilliant ideas about the theme yesterday. Okay, I'm going to listen to who's raising his hand? Khalid Al-Khalifa. Khalid Al-Khalifa,
yes, mister.
what do you think the theme of Muhammad's story is?
Always be sure and always listen to your mother or your parental.
Very good. Always listen to your parents. Very good. I'll take this theme. This theme. Okay. Always listen to your
mother,
parents, mother and father. Yeah. Very good. Now, how about the plot? We said that the plot has many parts. Do you remember the parts of the plot? Put your hand up if you know the parts of the plot. I need to choose someone else. People who participated, please give a chance to other people. Okay, I'm going to ask Muhammad Shawan. Muhammad Shawan. Have you watched yesterday's class? Muhammad? Hamoudi Habibi. Hamoudi, are you there?
Yes, mister.
Yes, Hamoudi. How are you?
What?
This is... Who is this? I need
me,
Muhammad.
mister.
Who is that?
Mister.
Is this Muhammad Shawan?
Yes.
Muhammad Shawan. Okay. Have you watched yesterday's video?
Yes, I don't know because I didn't come yesterday.
Yeah. But did you watch the video?
The video, no, because the internet not.
Oh, yeah. Okay, your dad told me, but you didn't sort out the problem yet. Okay, it's okay, Hamoudi. So we talked about parts of the plot, boys. Do you remember the parts of the plot? Put your hand up. I'm going to choose another person. Let's choose, for example, Mishari Al-Uthaym. Mishari Al-Uthaym.
Yes.
What are the parts of the plot, love?
Mister, I wasn't here yesterday.
You weren't here. You
I
weren't
was
here
in a trouble.
yesterday.
Yes.
You weren't here yesterday. Okay.
I
So,
was,
all right. I'm going to choose another person. Okay. Let me move to Muhammad. Let me move to Mansoor. Mansoor, what are the parts of the plot, Mansoor? Mansoor? Mansoor is not responding. What's wrong? Nawaf Adil Nasir. What are the parts of the plot, Nawaf, Habibi? What are the parts of the plot, Nawaf, Habibi?
oh, me?
Nawaf Adil Nasir.
Hello.
Do you remember the parts of the plot, Nawaf?
I forgot this.
You forgot. It's okay. It's okay. Even if you forgot, it's okay. We are learning. What are we doing? We are learning, and we are human beings. So it's okay to forget. Thank you, Nawaf. I'm going to move to another person. How about Muhammad Al-Dusari? Muhammad Al-Dusari.
Mister, 1 minute, okay?
Okay. Yasser, are you there?
Me,
You
Mister.
Yes, Yasser. Do you remember the
Yes.
who remembers the parts of the plot? If you remember the parts of the plot, raise your hand. Talal?
Okay.
Who's that?
Yes, teacher.
Talal. You know the parts of the plot, love?
Miss-
I forget.
You forgot. How about okay, I'm gonna get to you, Khalid, in a minute. How about Shimri? Who is Shimri? Talal is Shimri now. Saud Abdullah. Saud Abdullah. Do you remember the parts of the plot?
أستاذ عبد الله راح ونرجع بعد شوي.
Okay. So how about Khalid al-Khalifa? Khalid Habibi. Do you remember the parts of the plot?
Yes.
What's the first part of the plot?
The first part is that they went to the mall.
The exposition. And this
Yeah, the
exposition is like introduction. It's like the introduction. That's
Me,
where
Mr.
that's
Oh,
where
this Mister. I thought you were talking about the plot of the story.
the exposition
Mister.
mainly introduces
mean
what?
Mister, like rising.
Mister, I want
Microphone,
to
please.
answer.
Rising action.
Mister, can I answer?
Yes, Mister. Can I
Now you
answer?
remember.
Yes, I remember.
Okay.
Mister,
So
I know it. Mister.
everybody mute your microphones, please. I'll call your name. Put your hand up if you want to say anything. So
Mister, I can't raise my hand. I didn't.
who's that? Who's that? So
Mishal, Mister, Mishal.
Mishal, yes, Mishal. What's the second part of the plot? Second part of the plot, Mishal. We talked about the exposition. This is number one.
Raising events, Mister, raising events.
Very good. Rising actions. I love you. Rising action. And what's the third part? Yasser, what's the third part of the plot?
Teacher, there's two Khalid Al Khalifa.
Wallah?
Yes, there's one.
Maybe he's joining using two devices. It's okay.
Yes, there's one.
Abdul Nasir,
His hand.
Abdul Nasir, since you're speaking to me, what's the part number 3 in the plot?
Mister, can I answer?
Yes, love. Answer.
Climax.
Climax. Very good. And the climax is the turning point. The turning point, or the point, or the highest point in a plot. That's when action starts to change, or there is a change on the part of the characters, on the part of action. How about the fourth part of the plot?
Me, Mister.
Yes, love.
Falling action.
Very good. And how about the last part of the plot?
I'm sorry, no, resolution.
Yes, very good. And in the middle of the plot, the plot is actually structured around what? Around a conflict. What's a conflict? Does anybody remember? Yeah, the problem. Very good. The problem or the challenge that the characters have to deal with. And this conflict can be what or what? Can be external
Or internal.
Very good. External, when the characters have a problem with someone or something. All right? All right. And internal, when the character have a challenge or an argument or a debate.
Mine.
His mind. You're very good. I love you. Is that Mishal? Is that
Yes,
Mishal?
Mr. Yes,
Yes, I
Mr.
love you, Mishal. Wow. Very good. So this is actually the parts of the plot. So let's review again. Let's review what we have studied so far. Let's review what we have studied so far. We studied the elements of character of a story. What are the elements of a story? What are the elements of a story?
Me, Mister.
Characters, yes.
Character settings, plot and theme.
Very good. Characters, setting,
plot and theme.
theme, and finally, plot. And what's a plot? The events. And here is the parts of the plot. Do you guys understand?
Yes.
Yes, Mr.
Yes.
Oh, my
Yes.
over.
Yes.
But the class is over. I have to leave it here now. All right. Any questions before I? If you have any questions, okay. Please.
No, thank you, Mister.
No,
All
thank
right.
you.
Please leave. Please leave.
Have a nice day.
Teacher,
Yes, love.
I solved the homework.
Wow. Tomorrow, inshallah, you're going to teach us how. All right?
Alright.
Okay. Thank you for the.
يا أستاذ سجلت حضورنا يا أستاذ.
Yes.
Okay.
Good job.
Yes,
Mr.
love.
Thank you for the teaching.
Yes.
Thank you, love. Thank you.
Very, very good.
Thank you.
I love you.
Teacher,
Can you
you are
kindly
the best teacher in the world.